This video uses the Lily 2 as an example to show you how to use Garmin wearable devices for the dance fitness activity. You can use this function to record your dancing time, calories burned, heart rate, and other activity data. Press the circle button to access activities. Select the built-in Dance Fitness on Lily 2. When using it for the first time, the watch will prompt you to select a dance type. The dance type will not affect the recording or settings of the activity. Tap the screen to start the activity. After completing the first song, click on the arrow at the top of the screen. Enter a brief break. Then continue to the next song. After the dance session ends, long press the circle button to pause and save the activity. You'll be able to view the activity data on the Garmin Connect app. You can modify the above process according to your preferences at any time. Before starting the activity, click on the gear symbol at the top. You can add activity alerts, change dance types, adjust song counts, or customize data screens. Please ensure your watch is updated to the latest software to support the new features. For further inquiries, please contact Garmin's product support.